It's time for some work on the E46 again. Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to fix the cold start problems on my E46 320d. So as you have seen in my latest videos, my E46 has not been a trusty daily in the cold. The other day I didn't start it for 2 days, and when I was supposed to start it, it took a lot of time with like a starter booster, and I had to use jumper cables to get the power and everything to get it to start. It never started. I have now bought a glow plug relay because I did not change and swap that out when I swapped the glow plugs. I thought glow plugs was everything I needed to change, but apparently it was not. Before we begin this episode, I am just going to tell you guys, for those of you guys who are genuinely interested in knowing how to change the glow plug relay or module, you can do it from underneath the car, and I will tell you that I did not know that, so I started with dismounting the intake manifold. You can reach it from like up here. It's pretty like easy accessible. So now you know that it's 2 nuts, and that's it, and you disconnect the plugs. That's it. But I did not know that, so now we will start episode of me doing everything I don't need to do. Hope you enjoy. So today we're going to take off the intake again to replace the relay, and hopefully it will start a lot easier when it's a cold winter morning. Some of you may notice I have some really bad wheels. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you also saw I posted a picture with those wheels, and yeah. So I have the Alsev in the front and some really bad steelies in the back, and we're gonna swap those out today for some rondelles. But the reason I'm using this is because I have sold my 17-inch wheels. They were pretty cool, but I got some good money for it selling them, so that's why I sold them. So now let's begin on removing the intake. So this is how it looks with all the covers. And now we have removed all of the covers, and we have also removed the actual intake. So now it looks kind of like this. Now I just have to find that relay. To be honest, I don't know where it is, but I will keep looking a little bit. I think it's here somewhere, I don't know. But I have the new relay right here. A friend helping me because I kind of got stuck, but we found out that we need to like approach it from underneath. It's right there, so maybe I didn't have to remove the intake and all of that. So yeah, I don't know, but hopefully we will get it out very soon. Yes, don't comment on my fog light fix. It was for the EU controls, and I kind of like it. Yalla! Oh my god, it's a Polski car! Good quality!
No Polski here, man, only pure Norwegian blood.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. There you go. Yes! Installed! Job done. Okay, so if we are able to mount it now from underneath the car, I did not have to remove the intake, the intake manifold, which we have right here. So that kind of sucks because I'm not a fan of doing that job, so or an extra work. So that kind of sucks. But well, you learn while you live.
Hashtag quote farheims.
You learn while you live. That's right. Ja, det ser jeg jo. Okay, now it's time to mount the intake manifold again, since we apparently removed it, or not we, I removed it because I thought I had to remove it to access the relay module for the glow plugs, but no need, so learn by my mistakes. Do not remove the intake by doing that. Now it's time to mount it again. We are finally done. Everything is mounted and the engine looks decent again. So let's see if it will start with the new glow plug relay. DDE light will turn up like usual, I assume. It does. I don't know if it was longer or shorter than usual, but I don't know. Let's see if it starts. Whoa, very fast actually. It's very good. Another bulb is not working. Well, not good, but it works. Very good. For all of you guys hating on my Sparko steering wheel, it makes my hands not that cold in the morning. That's why I use it, and it looks not too good, but it's okay. It's Alcantara right here, so that's why I like it. Yeah, it works. Perfect. Okay, we are done for the day, and now it's time to head home. Everything went not okay at all because we removed the intake. That was really silly, but now the relay is removed. No, not removed, it changed, sorry. And hopefully the car will start a lot easier in the mornings when it's cold, I hope. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode a little bit, and if you came to this video to actually learn how to change it, then I have one thing to say to you. If you do it underneath, it will actually just take 20 minutes. So, and even less maybe, I don't know. But now it's time to head home. So I thank you for watching this episode, and I hope I see you in the next one. And yeah, see you later. Let's see if it will start easily today. It's glowing, and let's just take that off. It is 8.5 minus again. Okay. Yes! That fired very quickly. Very good. So, job well done. Now I have learned that not only do you need to change the glow plugs if you have bad cold start in the winter, but you also need to change the glow plug relay or module. And it is not under the It is not under the intake manifold. It is, yeah, under the car. You can access it from under the car. So yeah, but now it's fixed, so I can enjoy the rest of the winter, not worrying about if the car will start or not in the cold. So that's very nice. So let's begin our day.